कटक बड़ मेडिकल प्लाज्मा बैंक उद्घाटन कर मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक एवं आपण देखिपुं सीधा सल्क के भाव वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे प्लाज्मा बैंक उद्घाटन करा जाउछि एवं एठी अन्य माने मध्ये उपस्थित अछन्ते ये कटक बड़ मेडिकल आपण दृश्य देखुछन्ते गोटेपटे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक को देखुछन्ते
नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ए वैक्सीन has further added to our worries. In such a situation, convalescent plasma therapy has brought in a ray of hope and sunshine for the human race. Indian medical fraternity has started trial of plasma therapy. Although the case fatality rate in our state is less than 1, it is around 0.5% and one of the best in the country, we are committed to avert every single death. In that line, plasma therapy would be definitely helpful. Our doctors in Odisha are very much in sync with the latest advances in the medical field and have accepted the challenge of introducing this new medical technology to Odisha. In this procedure, plasma available in the donated blood of a cured COVID survivor is separated from other blood components and blood is returned to the donor. This plasma contains antibodies which are given to the serious COVID patients in government COVID hospitals. As a part of the policy of the government of Odisha to provide the best available treatment and medical procedures to the people of Odisha in our fight against COVID, plasma therapy will certainly count as a pioneering effort.
याठू अधिक खुशी जिनस किसी ना जदि मुझे प्लाज्मा दे आउ जनकर जीवन बचाई पारि ताहले मु बहुत खुशी हेबी
मुझे संपूर्ण सुस्थ एवं मो भली सुस्थ प्लाज्मा रे अन्य जन को भल कर पारे सबुठार अधिक खुशी हेबी
मोर संपूर्ण भाव सुस्थ अच्छी मोर भली सुस्थ लोक प्लाज्मा गुरुतर कोविड रोगी चिकित्सा कर आशु आरोग्य लाभ कर
जार भविष्य प्लाज्मा दरकार हुए मु दान करने प्रस्तुत
प्लाज्मा देवाई प्रस्तुत अच्छी
दरकार हुए मु दान करने
ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମର ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଭିଭାଷଣ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛୁ।
Honorable Minister, senior officers, doctors, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a matter of abundant happiness to be a part of this inaugural ceremony to launch convalescent plasma therapy in the state of Odisha. This therapy is expected to be an effective tool in our fight against the global pandemic COVID. Our doctors in Government Medical College, SCB Medical College, Cuttack, have made the entire state of Odisha proud by introducing this advanced medical procedure, which is a frontier in the field of medicine. This is all the more relevant now when vaccine for COVID is only in its trial stage. The state of Odisha now joins a select club of very few states who have introduced this convalescent plasma therapy in the fight against COVID. On this occasion, I would like to assure the people of Odisha that our government is committed to provide the highest standards of medical care and treatment procedures for the people of the state. No persons in Odisha would be deprived access to the latest medical technology. This is a solemn commitment of this government. Introduction of plasma therapy is one such step. Our government recognizes the hard work put in by all the doctors and all medical personnel in Odisha in these difficult COVID times and has taken several steps to encourage and boost their morale. I would also like to utilize this opportunity to appeal to all eligible COVID survivors to come forward to donate their plasma, which will go a long way in helping in the treatment of serious COVID patients. I congratulate the 4 brave donors who have volunteered to donate their invaluable plasma today. The 4 donors are Sri Pankaj Kumar Behra, Dr. Chit Bhushan Ponda, Sri Manoj Kumar Boral, and Sri Avinash Raut. We are proud of you and wish you all the very best in life. I also understand many more eligible COVID survivors have volunteered to donate their plasma. For me and the government, life of every person is precious, and the state would do everything possible to save the life of our people. I would like to announce that plasma therapy will be made available free of cost to the people of Odisha. Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkal Janani.
नमस्कार मु सुप्रिया मोर विश्वास आपन के वीडियोटी भल लागिथिबो आमको लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलंतुनी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाई देखुथांतु ओटीवी।